Namaste. Myself, Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. My teaching subject is animal diversity, and now we will discuss about the sexual reproduction in protozoa by taking the example of the Paramecium. We have already discussed about the general characteristics of the protozoa, classification, and now the sexual or the reproduction in the protozoa. The Paramecium reproduce by asexual as well as sexual method. By asexual method, it reproduces by the binary fission, but in sexual reproduction, take place by the conjugation. The conjugation process occurs during the abnormal conditions, when the conditions are not favorable. Then conjugation process take place. Or it may be occurs for the reconstruction of the meganucleus after many binary fissions. Conjugation process occurs during the abnormal conditions or maybe for the reconstruction of the meganucleus after several binary fissions. Okay? It can be defined as temporary union between the two Paramecia of the same variety but of opposite mating type for the nuclear exchange. Understand? The temporary union between the two Paramecia of the same variety but opposite mating type for nuclear exchange. Now, we will discuss the mechanism, conjugation, mechanism, the following changes occurs during the conjugation. We discuss it by the step by steps. This is the meganucleus. This is micronucleus. These are the X conjugates. These are the conjugates. Okay. Then, in the first step, conjugates. The two Paramecia of the same variety but of opposing mating type pair together by their vertical surface to form the conjugates. कि two Paramecia of the same variety but of opposite opposite mating type pair together by their vertical surface to form the conjugates. Then after then, in the second point, that is the meganucleus breaks and micro divide by reductional division. Okay. In the second step, what happens? The mega nucleus break and finally disappear, and micro divides by the reductional division, or you can say it is meiosis. In the chromosome number becomes the half. Now what happens into the third steps? The 2 micro again divide and forms the 4 micronuclei. Here is the equational division. Equational division, or you can say it is mitosis. Understand? In the 3 steps, in the first step, the 2 paramecia of the opposite mating type but same variety pair together by their vertical surface. These have 1 meganucleus and 1 micronucleus. In the second step, and these are after combination, after pairing, these are known as the conjugates. And after them, the meganucleus start to degenerate and it break down and finally disappear, and the micronuclei divide by the reductional division, that is meiosis. The number of chromosomes become half and form the 2 micronucleus. Again, in the third step, here is the reductional division. Reductional division, and in third step, it is the equational division. Equational division takes place into the micronuclei, and then there is formation of the 4 micronuclei into the each conjugates. Then in the next step, that is out of 4, 3 degenerates. 3 degenerate. Disappearance of 3 micronuclei. The fourth step is disappearance of 3 micronuclei. Okay. There is disappearance of the 3 micronuclei take place and leaving 1 micronuclei in each conjugate. Then there is formation of the pronuclei. Fifth is the pronuclei. Pronuclei. Okay. Then what happens? कि there is unequal division after degeneration of the three. There is unequal division between the micronuclei, and there is formation of the two micronuclei, and the large one is known as the female pronuclei. Female pronuclei, and smaller one is the male pronuclei. Okay. Then what happens after formation of the male and the female pronuclei? There is exchange of the nuclear material takes place. Nuclear exchange. Exchange of the nuclear materials means कि male bind with the female pronuclei, and there is formation of the one after exchange of the pronuclei. Then what happens? There is formation of the fusion nucleus. You can say by the fusion of the male and the female gametes, there is formation of the fusion nucleus. And after formation of the fusion nucleus, both the conjugates separate. And now these are after separation. These have each have the one pronuclei, a fusion nucleus. Then these are known as the X conjugates. X conjugates. ठीक है? After 6, then there is the fusion nucleus. Formation of the fusion nucleus, then there is formation of the X conjugates. Okay, understand? I can repeat itself one time more. At first, two paramecia of the opposite mating type but of the same variety pair together by their vertical surface, and now these are known as the conjugates. After formation of the conjugates, these conjugates have one meganucleus and the one micronucleus. After pairing, the meganucleus start to break, and after some time it clearly degenerates. And these micronuclei have the reductional division, that is meiosis becomes the chromosome number R. After reductional division, these micronucleus have again go to the second division, that is the equational division, and there is formation of the 4 micronuclei in each conjugates. After formation of the 4 micronuclei in the each conjugates, then the 3 are degenerated and formation of the 1 pronuclei in each conjugates. Then there is unequal division take place into this, and formation of the male and female pronuclei. The larger one is known as the female pronuclei, and the smaller one is known as the male pronuclei. And then there is exchange of the nuclear material take place and formation of the fusion nucleus. Fusion of the male and female gametes. There is formation of the fusion nucleus, and after formation of the fusion nucleus, both the conjugates separate, and now these are known as the X conjugates. Okay. Now the next. X conjugates X conjugates then these X conjugates goes to the three successive divisions. There is formation of the 2 and then formation of the 4 and then there is formation of the 8. Okay. The meganucleus, the fusion nucleus, you can go, it undergoes the 3 successive mitotic division. 3 successive mitotic division. And there is formation of the 8 nucleus. Okay. Out of 8, then 4 grow into the size and forms the meganucleus, and 4 smaller ones becomes the micronucleus. Okay. Then what happens after formation of the 4 micro and 4 macronucleus? There is again degeneration of the 3 micronucleus. Only 4 mega and 1 micro remains into it. Then there is again binary fissions. Okay? Again binary fission, and there is formation of the 2. Each have the 2 nuclei, meganucleus and the 1 micronucleus. Then there is formation of again division of take place, and 1 mega and 1 micro. Remains into it, and there is formation of the conjugates. Okay. But after formation of the fusion nucleus, these are separate out and known as the X conjugates. X conjugates, then each X conjugates have the 1 fusion nucleus, and this fusion nucleus then undergoes 3 successive mitotic division and forms the 8 nuclei. Out of these 8, 4 grow into the size and 4 remaining smalls. 4 grow in the size, become the known as the meganucleus, and 4 smaller are the micronucleus. Then what happens? 4 meganucleus remain as such, and the 4 micro, out of 4, 3 degenerate, and there is formation of the 2 mega and 1 micro into the X conjugates. Then what happens after formation of the X conjugates? There is division of the parents take place, and each binary fission here take place, and here the mitotic division. Then each of the parents have the 2 daughters which have 1 mega and 1 micro nuclei. And now the reproduction process is completed. Then what is the significance of the reproduction? Physiological, it rejuvenates the meganucleus. After, it reconstruct the meganucleus, which after some many binary fissions. Checking, it brings the variations due to the crossing overs. It brings the variations due to the crossing over during meiosis and fusion of nuclei of different paramecia. The variation may be useful into the changed environment, and it also help into the multiplication, or you can say the production of the continue the generation of the paramecia. Okay, first significance, physiological, it rejuvenates the meganucleus, reconstruct the meganucleus. Second, variations, exchange, genetic significance. There is variation take place due to the exchange of the genes, and there is new variety may be developed, and new genes may be developed due to the pairing of the different paramecia, and it help into the reproduction process, a multiplication of the paramecia to continue the generation. This is all about the sexual reproduction, that is conjugation in paramecia. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University Jaipur. Thank you. Namaste.